Hello guys, my name is Bisscute and welcome back to my channel, or if you're here for the very first time, welcome. Today we are reacting to Steven Tyler slash and Train with the song Dream On. I do hope you guys get to enjoy it, and of course if you do, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. It's very freaking much appreciated. I will basically just drag this very fast here and we can get to hear another great song. I don't know who Slush is. I don't know the other two, I assume. And yeah, let's see.
Howard, what a long and strange trip this has been. Here's to you.
I'm honored, my friend.
Here's
Thank
to you.
Thank you.
And here's to hell. May we have as much fun there as we
Oh,
had getting
Aerosmith.
there.
And we'll be there.
Okay, alright. Okay.
Hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Alright. I do love a piano, a good.
Every time that I look in the mirror, all these lines on my face getting clearer. The past is gone. And when I lie dust to dawn, isn't that the way? Everybody got the dues and I the pay.
Okay.
Come on! Yeah, I know nobody knows where it comes and where it goes. I know it's everybody's sin. You got to lose to know how to win. Yeah.
Oh, I think Slash is coming. Okay, before he's coming, I just want to say that this piano looks very beautiful. I know that he's not in his primes any longer with his voice and everything, but I still think he got it. I still think he sounds very freaking good. I love the confidence. I love all of the emotions there. It's really pretty. I'm so happy to react to this.
How to win. Yeah.
Let's see. Come on, Slash.
If my life's in books, written pages, living, learning from fools and from sages, you know it's true. All the things get back together. Sing with me, sing for me, sing for laughter, sing for the tears. Sing with me, have a jump all day. Never to my love, good now take you away.
I know that part from TikTok. I recognize a small part. I heard it before.
Yeah.
This is confidence, guys.
Well, sing with me, sing for me, sing for laughter, sing for the tear. Sing with me, jump on leg, maybe tomorrow the good Lord will take you away. Slash, slash, baby. Dream on, dream on, dream on, dream yourself a dream come true.
This is so good.
Dream on,
so good.
Happy birthday, Howard. Happy birthday, Howard.
Happy birthday! Thank you so much for having birthday Howard and bringing us this amazing performance. I have a question. Would you like me to react to the official video or like to the official version of the song? I recognized a small part. It's very popular on TikTok trends, so it was an instant. You know, I love this. Oh my god, Steven, he killed it. I wanna react to more songs with this kind of power into them. I do hope you guys enjoy the reaction as well. Please let me know some facts. Let me know what I should know about, you know, the song itself. Or of course, if you want me to react to the official video as well, I do appreciate your comments. I'm very grateful. Thank you so much for checking my content. You like the reaction, don't forget to like and subscribe. It's very much appreciated. I do freaking appreciate it so much. And as well, if you want to get to know me, I do stream on Twitch as well. I play video games, sometimes I play guitar, sometimes I do music content there. So drop by, say hi, don't be shy. Super nice people always. But yeah, so this is me thanking you again for being here for another reaction. I will see you tomorrow on the next one. Until then, have an amazing day, everybody. Bye bye.